Hi everyone, my name is Killian once again.
And we started with our upstairs, had all the flooring up there ripped out, replaced with a new floor. They did such a wonderful job.
Vanessa, the project manager, was extremely helpful and knowledgeable.
And we live in Chicago, so this was a long distance thing. We came back, everybody was here when they were supposed to, the project was done when it was supposed to.
The floor looks amazing, and we would highly recommend this company to come and do anything else that we needed.